Laptop lid cover replacement on Dell Inspiron 153511 laptop. Thank you, Sir Jumbai, for trusting the PTT IT solutions. Opting for a cover replacement on a Dell Inspiron 153511 is a wise decision if the current cover is damaged. Back. Laptop's cover plays a crucial role in protecting the internal components, including the motherboard, screen, and cooling system from external damage. Replacing it helps maintain the laptop's structural integrity, ensuring that it remains sturdy and secure during daily use. Taking a laptop to a professional repair shop for the cover replacement is highly recommended. Professional technicians have the tools, expertise to handle the delicate process of disassembling and reassembling the laptop, ensuring that no internal parts are damaged in the process. They can also source genuine or high-quality replacement parts to match the original design and build of your Dell laptop. This ensures that the laptop not only looks as good as new, it also continues to perform optimally without compromising on durability. Overall, a professionally handled cover replacement enhances both the aesthetic appeal and long-term functionality of your laptop, making it a cost-effective solution to keep your device in excellent condition. With her at PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Cover replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your cover replacement too. Follow our page. For more videos, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.